Hey friends, Andrew here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on notification for Netflix on your phone. Once you're inside the Netflix app on your phone, just click your profile at the bottom and you will see on the upper left the current profile name. So you click the drop down and you should see some options available to you. So we want to click on the app settings right here. And so from here, you'll see video playback and you'll find notifications. And so what you want to do is tap on notification there to toggle it on. It's going to open up on your phone here, as you can see, and you just toggle it on. This is pretty useful, especially when you are watching a series or you set a movie to know the release date or whatever you set, right? This will notify you on your phone and so forth. It could be that you finish watch a series and you're waiting for your next season to come out and you want to be notified. You see something interesting on Netflix and you click remind me to know when it drops. And so you can use the app at that time, right? So it's going to be useful to have those notifications set up, right? And of course, if you have notifications set up and it's annoying you, you can learn how to actually find it. And so if that's the case, then right, let's say you have the application on your phone and you have notifications set up and you don't want to have the notifications coming to you, you can go to settings on your phone, just simply find the notifications on your phone. And at the top, you have app notifications. And so from here, you would search for Netflix. And so you would be able to, let's say, turn off the notification. So I'm going to swipe down, right, and find N for Netflix. And I think I passed it already. So I'm just going to scroll back to find N. As you can see, here is a Netflix. And I will just toggle off that to turn off the Netflix. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.